Hey guys, this is Ronnie here with Great Choice, and we have an ELAN Matrix here I'm going to show you. I'm going to open the box, and I think Steve had a couple questions he was going to come ask here in just a second. We pull it out, all packaged very nicely. Very nice clean front with a few buttons on the front to be able to change things. You look here on the back, you have all your inputs, a couple IR inputs and outputs. And then here, this is actually a kit, so it comes with 4 receiving balans. So Steve, what question did you have about the video matrix?
Not really a question, just a comment. This allows a homeowner to have all of his equipment in one area and have all the different sources, your cable boxes, your Blu-ray players, your streamers, etc., all hooked into this, and it distributes them all over the house. So somebody can watch something in one room while somebody's watching something in another room and somebody else is watching something in another room without having to have the individual pieces in those rooms cluttering up those rooms. This can all be stowed away in a nice, neat, custom rack.
So what you're saying is I can have 4 TVs off of this with one cable box?
Of course you can.
Or one Roku or one Apple TV?
Absolutely.
Versus having to buy all the different devices, I can still have that device on all my TVs.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Cool set.
Yeah. We got power supply in the box as well. Like I said, it's a kit, so it comes with 4 different receiving valence here. And the last little box that it comes with gives you a whole bunch of little IRs. Whole bunch of them. Input, output IRs, link cables, and looks like you got all the power cables for your valence there. And then we have a little bit of a rack here for our rack mountable matrix. And then a remote, which we'll not use since it's ELAN. We'll control it through all of the ELAN pieces. Stay tuned, and we'll show this in a video here coming up where it's installed and working at a client's house.
Have a great choice day.